If friends type or calculate nominal money in Excel, it's a bit less good if the currency symbol is typed in manually. Even better if the currency symbol appears automatically when we type in the nominal money. Now, to generate currency symbols automatically in Excel, the method is very easy. Friends, first determine or select a cell where a currency symbol will appear automatically. After that, friends right-click on the mouse and select Format Cells. Then a new window will appear. Format Cells. Friends change from General to Accounting. After that, in the Symbol section, select the currency symbol you want, for example the Rupiah currency symbol or RP. After that, click OK to save the settings. To use it, friends just write down the desired amount of money, then press Enter on the keyboard, then the currency symbol will automatically appear in front of the amount typed earlier.